Discipline the monster, or it will destroy your business. I'm always angry. Remember the Hulk saying that? Well, entrepreneurship will wake the Hulk in you. The frustration, the impatience, the urge to smash the whole damn plan when results don't show up on your schedule. But here's the part no one truly posts about. Uncontrolled rage doesn't build companies. It actually burns them down. Real entrepreneurs, real business people, they invest before they feel ready. They sacrifice comfort without applause. They document the process, because chaos without information, that's just noise. The Hulk, he isn't only powerful because he's angry. He's powerful because Banner learned when to let him out. Stick with it, even when the pressure spikes, especially when it does. Power without control is just expensive destruction.